How to enable notifications preview as well as show some of the notifications automatically, showing you a bit more of the details here, and also the one that when you turn your wrist to show full notifications. This is for the Amazfit Active 2 smartwatch. Let's get started. To find and use these features, go ahead and use a quick access by swiping down like this here, then tap on the settings toggle right here, this one here. As you do this here, you're going to see these settings options for your Active 2 and go down until you see notifications, this right here. Once you enter here now, you're going to see a few, and one of them will start off by the notifications preview. So this is going to show the icon and of course a headline of the notification. So if you just got a message notification, it will most likely probably show you just the first line of that notification on your display. You also have this one here that says auto show following notifications. So what this does actually is if you get a new notification and it appears on your watch, it is going to browse over or kind of navigate through the message itself, showing you additional information of that message in terms of what that message says automatically. So if you don't want all of your information showing for that specific message, I would suggest you turn this off and avoid the auto shows. But you can turn it on and off at any given time you want. And you got this one here that says turn wrist to show full notifications. So let's just say the watch is currently on your wrist here, and you just have your hand like this here, and you suddenly just rotate it towards you. It is going to light up the screen and show you that notification, giving you the full notification. And of course, sometimes it doesn't show everything, but it depends on how much info is on that specific notification. Like and sub.